So in this video, I select the communication fundamentals. So first, in this video, you can see the idea is transmitting to the other persons. So we have the message source, transmitters, transmission medium, receivers, and the message destinations. If you have a message source, it will be a message destinations. So go to the next. So it's computer communication. You'll see it's unlike when you use for example, I use laptop and others using a desktop, and the connections between two of them will connected by using the internet, and we sharing ideas and collab with what they need. So the next we'll see the different types of communications of this one. So first, rule establishments before communicating with one another's individual must use established rules or agreements to govern the conversation. For example, configure 1. So this one's human communication between governed rules. It's very difficult to thousands. So they have a different language that can translate. And the next one, we have the message encoding, message formatting, encapsulation, message size, message timing, and message delivery options. It's all in the protocols. So the first is message encoding. One of the first steps of sending message is encoding. Encoding is the process of converting information into another acceptable form. To transmit, encoding reverses process in order to interpret information. So if you have a message, you will have like in the message, if you have a message, first you will encode the data that you need to send in the other to your destination. We play this. So they have the both idea, because they send the idea of what in her mind, and we, next in the computer, the source encoded and the destination coded will be the same. And like when you use in the messenger, you send the picture into your destinations, and you have the both of images. Next, so we'll have the message formatting and encapsulations. So the recipients of the location will be Main Street, Canton, Ohio 42203, and the senders is for OC of Florida, and the deer will be salutations, and the recipient is Jane, and the message of the content, and the sender is John, and end of the frame of message will be indicator of that logo. You can see in this little video. So we know how to identify this encapsulation message formatting. So the next is the message size. Another rules of communication is size. When people communicate with each other, the message they send are usually broken into smaller parts of sentences. This is the examples of message size. Because they cannot because it's not delivered properly, that's why they have a broken parts of sentences. Like in the computer, they have a broken, so I cannot be identify of what the message is. And next is message timing. Is examples of message timing. So so the message timing, it happens when they have uh like they're talking and they have both speaking and they will not understand of what they said because they have this they have the same speak they both speaking and they will not understand of what they said of both sides. Well, next, proceed to the next is message delivery options. So first is the unicast. Unicast is only one directed from one only one persons, and the multicast only two, or you can see in this we have two messages, and broadcast all this will send all the message of this teacher. Next, in the computers, only one computer will be sent. Multicast with two will be sent off, and the broadcast all will be sent. So we have in the protocol suite content is conversations protocol suite use communication language with return signal when finished rollers layers physical layers. So this protocol suite is commonly use a common language, like we are you're talking to someone, use common language, wait your turn, because unlike the message timing, they are both speaking in the same time, so you should uh, wait on your turn to speak and signals when finished. And this all in the network communications, and that's all. Thank you.